Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to install Ninja Forms WordPress plugin in 2023. If you'd like to add some forms in your WordPress website, this is the place for you. It will teach you guys how to create your forms from zero to hero. You will understand all the fundamental of like creating forms and adding it to your pages in your WordPress website using the Ninja Forms plugin. So if you're looking to add some statistic, you want to get data from your customers and so go on, this plugin in this video is for you. So let's get started with this video. The first thing guys that I will need you to do is go ahead and launch your browser. After that, go ahead and click into the URL section and open your WordPress website. For me, I have it on my local host, so I will just have to open my local host and then I will click on Access WordPress. After that, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the dashboard. So let's open it. And here we are. So this is the website. Now, in order for us to add any kind of plugins, you can see here this kind of like a menu. So all you need to do is go ahead and click on plugins. And from over here, you'll find install plugins and add new. Make sure to click on add new. So now you will have two options. Upload the plugin, which is this one, and from here you simply click in it and you will find this form in here. All you need to do is, for example, you have a plugin in your PC as a zip file. You can just choose a file, click it, drag it over here, and then install it, and it will be added to your WordPress website. If not, you can just go to here and search by using keywords. So in our case, let's search for Ninja Forms, and now we will search for it. So click on enter, and here it is. Now here it is, the plugin that you are looking for. So here we are. All you need to do guys is just simply click on this one and then click on install now. So here it is, some information about it. If you'd like to see more details, all you gotta do is click on more details from here. So here it is. You can see the requirements for the installation, the information in general, and some details for a description about it. So you can understand more about it. Now, after you actually downloaded it, all you need to do is activate it. So let's do that. Now, here it is. Let's give it some time until it's activated successfully. And now we are good to go. Now, as you can see, hit it the Ninja Forms. So make sure to refresh the page to actually see the plugin in here. And now all you need to do is click on dashboard. Here, let's click in here and help make Ninja better, not now. And as you can see, here you can see the forms. So this is like an example of contact me. Click here to see it. Click here to edit it. So this is like an example of a contact me form. It has a name, email, and the message. And finally, a submit button. Now, let's try to create another one, which will be more detailed. So here we go. So here guys, you can find blank form, collect feedback, contact us, delete data requests, event registration, and so much more. Let's try first with a blank form. So here it is. And now you can add whatever you like to this form. So here you can find some common fields from single checkbox, select an image, select, single line text, date and time, checkbox list, radio list, paragraph text, submit, multi-select, file upload, and finally save. Here there is some details, for example, first name, last name, country, and much more. And here the layout fields for like if you'd like to add some code like an HTML code, repeatable field set, and divider. And finally, here you have confirm, hidden, number, star rating, and so much more. Let's start with making, for example, a registration form. You can make it like so. First name, let's add here the last name. So let's add the last name over here. Let me just do that. Field required, for example. So if they didn't fill this, they will not be able to go to the next step. So let's make it like necessary. Here you can add like the default value, placeholder if you'd like to, and the description into it if you'd like to do that as well. When you finish, you can just click here and you will see it over here. Let's remove it for now because we don't need it. And here, for example, you can just write your first name. Let's make this like so, and click on done. Here it is. Now we can add more. So we can add, like for example, submit button, which is over here. Let me just remove it for now. Let's add single checkbox. You can add multiple ones. We can add multiple things. So let me just add first everything in order. Last name, city, email, and then let's actually drag this here. Here I'm going to choose country and then city. So something like that. We can add here a phone number. So finally phone number, and finally let's add, for example, save. So let's add, for example, something else because this one is not really possible. So let's add, for example, submit button. After that, click on done, and then here you have to go to the details. So let's say that is necessary as well. This one, of course, and these two are not necessary. So when we are trying to do them or to like fill this form, if we didn't answer these two, they will not actually ignore our submission. So they will accept it. Here, emails and actions. So successes message, successes message. So for example, the message has been successfully sent. So this is the message that will be showed for the actual customer. You can change it to good job. This is just like an idea. Here we can change admin email. So whenever a customer or client or visitor writes something, the data shall be sent to an email. So it has to be your email. So make sure to leave it over here. And this one is record submission. Here you will record this, save all, etc. and much more. Now when we finish with that, you can go to advanced to see one of these settings and go through them, and then click on publish to publish it. Give it a name. So let's say tutorial, and here click on publish. Now as you can see, all we gotta do is go ahead here and copy the link. So you can just copy it. And now you can go, for example, to your dashboard once more. So let's go into it by clicking in here, leave. And then this is like the tutorial thing that we have created. You can go to a page, click on add new. And then from this page, you can click on here, add a code, and simply paste this code over there. After that, click on publish. And then you will notice that it will be looking something like that. So here it is, tutorial, first name, last name, email, city, phone. I think I've written phone twice, my bad. And finally the submit button. So now if I write those two and I click on submit, I have to write even the email. And as you can see, if I click submit, I have to write like a correct email. It's not really a random one. So let's click here at gmail.com and then click on submit. Here, as you can see, they all tell me good job as I have written for them. So everything is actually working pretty much good. You can actually do more than that, guys. If you want to here and click again on add new, you can do here multiple option of like forms like they have already like ready for you to use. You just have to copy them and then paste them in a page. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it. If you had any more questions, please leave them for me in the comment section. I will make sure to answer each one of your questions, and see you guys in the next video.